Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a side view mirror on a Ford Focus. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver set and the new mirror assembly. Make sure your car is parked on a level surface with the engine off for safety. It's also a good idea to place a protective towel around the mirror area to prevent any scratches to your vehicle's paint during the process. Next, we'll remove the damaged mirror. Gently pry off the interior trim panel that covers the mirror's mounting bolts. You might need a plastic trim removal tool to avoid damage. Once the panel is off, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors. Then, use your screwdriver to loosen and remove the 3 or 4 mounting bolts that secure the old mirror to the door frame. Now, let's install your new side view mirror. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning it with the bolt holes. Insert and hand tighten the mounting bolts first, then use your screwdriver to secure them firmly, but don't over-tighten. Finally, reconnect all the electrical wiring harnesses to the new mirror, ensuring a snug fit for proper function. For the final steps, reattach the interior trim panel, making sure it snaps back into place securely over the mirror bolts. Once everything is reassembled, turn on your vehicle and test the new mirror. Check that the power adjustments work correctly and, if applicable, verify the heating function. Ensure the mirror is stable and provides clear, unobstructed visibility for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.